Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use our fully integrated environment, Fidelity, in short videos of a few minutes. In this video, I will cover the main features linked to the Edge Wizard for Turbomachinery configurations. The Edge Wizard is a new feature included in the AutoGrid template of Fidelity, which allows to define or redefine blades' leading and trailing edge curves for turbomachinery meshes. Let's consider, for example, a centrifugal pump with periodicity 7, for which the blade surfaces, the hub, and shroud have already been linked to a turbo configuration in the family tree. The next step would be linking the leading and trailing edge curves to their corresponding entities also in the family tree. By clicking on the main blade, the Edge Wizard can be accessed in the lower section of the Property panel under the Blade Control tab. In the Essential mode, the user can define the number of spanwise layers that will be used to automatically generate the leading and trailing edges. More parameters are available in the Standard and Advanced modes. Hub and shroud upstream or downstream locations. Allows to define the control layers limits in the streamwise direction upstream or downstream of the blade. Their values are given in relative arc length location on the hub or shroud. When the value is set to -1, the limits are computed automatically by Fidelity AutoGrid and the values adapted when generating the Edge Wizard. Hub or shroud clustering allows to control the spanwise layer clustering at the hub and shroud by giving a ratio of the cell width corresponding to a uniform distribution of layer. Fidelity AutoGrid uses a geometrical progression to define the layers from hub to shroud. In addition, the user can control the percentage of cells of constant width, the number of layers, and the number of layer control points along the streamwise direction. Include hub and shroud layer. These options should be deactivated when the blade does not intersect the hub or the shroud in order to avoid taking them into account for the first and last spanwise layers. Staggering. This option can be adapted to normal, high, or low depending on the staggering angle of the blade to adopt a more suitable technique for the leading and trailing edge construction. Hub or shroud extension factor allows to control the expansion of the leading edge and trailing edge curves in percentage of the spanwise height. Let's keep the default settings for our case and click on the Generate button. Notice that the meridional view now includes the leading and trailing edge curves of the blade. In addition, the family tree now shows green icons of the entities linked to the leading and trailing edge curves. We can specify the row periodicity of 7 under Row Parameters, select the turbo configuration, and click on the Create Mesh Setup button on the top of the family tree. A mesh setup for turbo configuration is automatically created and the usual mesh generation process using the Row Wizard is ready to be applied. Check out the dedicated video regarding automatic mesh generation for turbomachinery configurations for more details. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a great Tuesday.